Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to AIMS tutorial. In today's session, we are going to discuss about special types of integral. Integrals of the form integral ax plus b by root over px plus q dx, or integral root over px plus q by ax plus b dx, or integral root over px plus q into ax plus b. Here rule is put px plus q, whatever is there in under root, put px plus q equals to t square. Now second type is root over x minus alpha by x minus beta dx. So multiply numerator and denominator by x minus alpha under root, then simplify. Now third type is integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into root over px plus q. So 1 by quadratic into root over linear. So put linear equals to t square. Whatever is there in the root, that px plus q equals to, we have to take t square. And fourth type is 1 by linear into root over quadratic. Here linear equals to, we have to put 1 by t. Since linear is not in under root, so linear part we have to take under 1 by t, and this one linear is in root, third one is linear in root, so linear equals to, we have to take t square. Linear means px plus q. In fourth one, linear equals to l equals to px plus q equals to 1 by t. Now if 1 by ax square plus b, cx square plus d both are pure quadratic, then let x equals to 1 by t. If you take x equals to 1 by t, its differentiation is dx becomes minus 1 by t square, a plus bt square, this ax square plus b becomes a plus bt square, and cx square plus d becomes c plus dt square. Now next, consider this c plus dt square as some u square as z square, then further simplify. Next, question number 1. So this is in the form of 1 by x minus 1 into root over x plus 1. That is 1 by ax plus b into root over px plus q. So in under root px plus q is there. So let that x plus 1, so root is x plus 1 is t square. If you differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of x is dx. 1 is 0. Differentiation of t square is 2t into dt. Therefore, dx becomes 2t dt. And similarly, this x plus 1 is t square. If you subtract minus 2 on both sides, so plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So you will get x minus 1 equals to t square minus 2. What would the value of x minus 1? That is t square minus 2. Dx value is 2t dt, and x plus 1 value is t square. If you substitute these values in given question, so our x minus 1 becomes t square minus 2, and root over x plus 1 becomes root over t square, and dx becomes 2t dt. So root over t square is t, and this t get cancelled. We are taking 2 outside. 1 by t square minus 2. 2 we are writing root 2 whole square, since root and square get cancelled. But this is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. Its integral is 1 by 2 a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. So 2 times of 1 by 2 times of a. A means root 2 logarithm of t minus 2 root 2 by t plus root 2. Now we have to put the value of t. 1, 2 to get cancelled. What would value of t? T value is, we are taking x plus 1 root over t square is x plus 1. Then t is root over x plus 1. In the place of t, we are adding root over x plus 1, x plus 1. Next one. Second question is integral x plus 1 by root over 2x plus 1 dx. So under root 2x plus 1. So let 2x plus 1 equals to t square. Differentiation of 2x is 2 dx, and t square is 2t dt. Both side 2 get cancelled. Dx is t dt. Now in the place of dx, we can write t dt. Now 2x is t square minus 1. If you divide by 2, x becomes t square minus 1 by 2. This is the value of x. But we have to find the value of x plus 1. So x plus 1 is t square minus 1 by 2 plus 1. If you take LCM, 2 1s are 2. T square minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the value of x plus 1, we can write t square plus 1 by 2. Now x is t square minus 1 by 2, x plus 1 is t square plus 1 by 2, and dx is t dt, and 2x plus 1 is t square. So first we are writing in the place of x plus 1 as t square plus 1 by 2, in the place of root over 2x plus 1 t square. So and value of dx is t dt. So this t under root t square, both are t get cancelled. Now 1 by 2 taking outside, t square plus 1 integrating with respect to t. So what about integration of t square? That is t cube by 3, and integration of 1 with respect to t is t. So 1 by 2, t means, what about the value of t? T square is 2x plus 1, t is root over 2x plus 1. Root means 1 by 2 power 3, so 3 by 2. Root means 1 by 2, or root 2x plus 1. Okay, this is our answer. Next, third one is x plus 3 into root over 3x plus 4. So in under root 3x plus 4 is there. So put 3x plus 4 equals to t square. If you differentiate with respect to x, 3 times of differentiation of x is dx, 4 is 0. So t square differentiation is 2t into dt. So dx, we can write dx as 2t dt or t dt divided by 3. So 2 by 3. Okay. Now from this one, we can write 3x as t square minus 4, and x is t square minus 4 by 3. But we have to find the value of x plus 3 in terms of t. So this x plus 3, x value is t square minus 4 by 3 plus 3. So 3 3s are 9. Minus 4 plus 9 is minus 4 plus 5 is plus 5. Minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5. T square plus 5. Now t square plus 5 is the value of x plus 3, and 3x plus 4 value is root over t square, and value of dx is 2 by 3 t dt. So this 3 3s are 9, 2 by 9 constant outside, t square into this root t square is t, one more t power 4. Okay, t power 4, and this plus 5 times of t into t square. So integral of t power 4 is t power 5 by 5 plus these two 5s are 10 by 9, and integral of t square is t cube by 3. So 2, 9 5s are 45. T means root, what about t? Tx plus 4 is t square. T is root 3x plus 4 whole power 5. 10 by 9 3s are 27. This is actually plus t cube. T means root whole cube. Okay. So 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 5. Next, 1 by x plus 1 into root over x square minus 1. So this is 1 by linear into root over quadratic. The working rule is we have to let linear part. So what about linear part? This linear part, x plus 1 equals to 1 by t. We have to take x plus 1 as 1 by t. From this one, we can write t as 1 by 1 plus 1. If we make t as a subject, this 1 plus x becomes t becomes 1 by 1 plus x. From this one, we can write x equals to 1 by t minus 1, and dx is, we are getting dx after differentiation. So differentiation of x plus 1 with respect to x is dx. 1 by t differentiation is minus 1 by t square dt. Now this quadratic x square minus 1, this is the value of x square minus 1. So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. This is minus 1, we are writing same. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. LCM of t square and t is t square. T square in t square 1 time. T in t square t times. So multiply with t. So 1 minus 2t by t square. This is the value of q only. So root q becomes, if you apply root, so t square, so square root get cancelled. So root q is 1 root over 1 minus 2t by t. Now value of root q, value of x plus 1, value of dx, we have to write in given question. So our I becomes, in the place of x plus 1, in the place of x plus 1, we have to write 1 by t, and in the place of root q is root 1 minus 2t by t. In the place of dx is minus 1 by t square dt. So this 1 by t square, from the here 1 by t and here 1 by t, t into t square get cancelled. Still minus is there. 1 by root over 1 minus 2t. Now this is in the form of 1 by root over ax plus b. its integration is 2 times of ax plus b by x coefficient a. So minus 2 times of minus is there. According to formula, 2 times of root over whatever there in the root we have to write as it is 1 minus 2t by t coefficient is minus 2, so divided by minus 2. This minus 2 get cancelled. 1 minus 2. Now in the place of t we have to write again, that is 1 by 1 plus x. So 1 ones are 1, x ones are x minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So x minus 1 by x plus 1 root over plus c is our answer. Next, 1 by root over, integral 1 by 1 minus x square plus root over 1 plus x square. Both are pure quadratic. 1 minus x square as well as 1 plus x square pure quadratic. So here procedure is put x equals to 1 by t. If you differentiate with respect to x, dx becomes differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square dt. Now our given expression becomes 1 by 1 minus, in the place of x square we are writing 1 by t, so it will become 1 minus 1 by t square root over 1 plus, in the place of x square we are writing 1 by t, so 1 plus t square, and value of dx is minus 1 by t square dt. So if you take LCM, t square 1 is t square minus 1 by t square 1 is t square plus 1 by t square. So if you write out of root, so only it is t. So 1 t square and 1 by t square, this t square get cancelled. Still one more t is there, we can write here. So t into dt, this minus comes outside, and t square minus 1 root over t square plus 1. Okay, now we have to take this t square plus 1 as some other variable z square. T square plus 1 as z square. If you t square plus 1 is z square, then what about t square minus 1? Z square minus 2. T square plus 1 is z square, then t square minus 1 is z square minus 2. If you differentiate with respect to t, differentiation of t square is 2t dt, 1 is 0, differentiation of z square is 2z 2 dz. So both side 2 get cancelled. Now value of t dt is z dz, and value of t square minus 1 is z square, value of t square plus 1, sorry, t square minus 1 is z square minus 2, t square plus 1 is z square. If you put all these values, so root over z square, this z square get cancelled. So final answer is 1 by z square minus root 2 square. So this is 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a, a means root 2 logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. But what about z? Z square is t square plus 1 is z is root over t square plus 1. So z is root over t square plus 1 minus root 2 by, in the plus we have to write, what about z? Z is root over t square plus 1. Then what about t? X is 1 by t, then t is 1 by x. Now in the place of t, if you write 1 by x, so t square plus 1 becomes root over 1 plus x square by x square, or we can write without root by x. If you cross multiply, x will come here. Same thing, 1 plus x square plus root 2 into x. Okay, and LCM x both sides get cancelled.